mathematics class, children. Students, we studied how to write the factors for a number. For example, factors of 8 are the factors of 8. How to remove? The 8 is in which tables? It is in 2 tables. So 2 4s are 8. And in 4 table, 4 2s are 8. Then in 8 1s are 8. So these are the factors. 2, 4, 8 are the factors of 8. So like this you have to write the factors of 8 and for any number. But how to get the common factors of any 2 or 3 or more numbers? So before writing common factors, first we have to list the factors of each number. For example, let me take 8 and 20. You have to get the common factors for these. So let us write the factors of each number. Factors of 8 are 2, 4 and 8. And same factors of 20 are 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So let us see what are the common factors of these two numbers. So is there 2 in the factors of 20? So is there. So round off it. Then 4 is there in the 8 table. Is there in the factors of 20? Yes, it is there. 4 is there. But here 5 is there. There is no 5 in the factors of 8. 10? No. Is there 20? No. 8? No. So only 2 and 4 are the common factors of 8 and 20. So let me write the common factors 2 and 4. So like this you have to list the common factors for the given numbers. Let me take another example. The common factors for 9 and 15. So what are the factors of 9? 3 and 9. What are the factors of 15? 3, 5 and 15. So what are the common factors in these two numbers? Let us find out. So 3 is there in the 9 factors and 3 is also there in the factors of 15. Is there 5 in the 3 factors? No. Is there 9 in the factors of 15? No. Is there 15 in the factors of 9? No. So what are the only 3 is the common factor of 3 and 15. So like this you have to list the common factors. Another example. Find out the common factors for 20 and 20. So what are the factors of 20? Factors of 20 are 20 is in 2 table, 20 is in 4 table, in 5 table, in 10 and 20. So what are the factors of 28? 28 is in 2 table because it is even number. One thing, see children, 2 is a common factor for all even numbers. Okay. So for all even numbers, first you have to write 2. 2 is there in the 4, then 7, 14 and 28. Okay. So let us list the common factors. 2 is there common both sides. 4 is there in common both sides. Is there 5 here? No, 7? No. Here 14 is there. Here 14? No. Here 10 is there in the 20 table. 20 factors. There is no 10 in the 28 factors. Here 20 is there in the 20 factors and 28 is. So only 2 and 4 are the common factors. So let us write the common factors of 20 and 28 are 2 and 4. We found common factors for 2 numbers. Let's take an example for in the question number 2 main from common factors for 3 numbers 4, 8 and 10. In such case also we have to write the factors for each number given, then find the common factors. So factors of 4 are 2 and 4. Factors of 8 are 2, 4 and 8. And factors of 12 are 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So let's find out the common factors in these 3 numbers. So 2 is there in these three numbers. Mark it. Is there 3 here? No. Is there 4 in these three? Yes, 4 is common in these three factors. Is there 6? No. Is there 8? 3? No. 12 is also not there in these factors. So the common factors of 4, 8 and 12 are 2 and 3. Okay. Another example for three numbers, how to find out the common factors. So factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Factors of 15 are 1, 3. It is not 13. 1 is a common factor for all numbers. So 1, 3, 5 and 50. Factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Okay. So let us list the common factors. We have 1 is the common as in the 3. Is there 3 here? No. Here also not there for the 25. Is there 5 in all these 3 factors? Yes, 5 is there in all these 3. We can see 5 as the common factor and no other common factor. So let us write the common factors of 5, 50 and 25 are 1 and 5. Children, we studied common factors for the given numbers. Let us see how to write the common multiples of the given numbers. For example, multiples for 6 and 8. We have to remove common multiples. So multiples of 6 are, what are the multiples? 6 on the 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, 6 10 is 60. Let me write 10 multiples because we have to remove 5 common multiples or 3 multiples. So multiples of 8 are 8 on the 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72 and 8 10 is 80. So what are the common multiples we have to list here? Let us see one by one. 6 is there in the 8 table? No. 8 is there? No. 12 is there here? No. 18? No. Is there 24? Yes. 24 is here also and here also. 30? No. 32 is there. Then 36 is there. Here 36 is no. 42 is there. Here 42? No. 48 is there? Yes. 48 is there. So like this we have to search for the common numbers. Is there 54? No, 54. 60 is there? Yes, 60. No. Then, how many we search now? Only 2. Okay. So, let me write 2 more multiples because we have to remove minimum 3 are given. See, 72. Here also 88 and 96. Still 2 we have to, still 1 more we have to search. 60 is here also 16 is. 72 is there? Yes, 72 is there. 72 is also there in the 6 multiple. Therefore, the common multiples for these two numbers are, let me list, 24, 48 and 72. So you have to list like one by one like this. You also do the remaining. I hope it is clear for you. If you have doubts, you are welcome to ask. Good night.